Hey, this is Mike. I have to apologize because I told my wife, Sweet Angel, that I was going to get up this morning and cook, which I have. But I had to get up and run to the store to get the greens. And I told her I'm going to cook neck bones and cornbread, which I have already. And I want to apologize to you because I know y'all like to see me in the kitchen. And I love to be in the kitchen. I love to cook. This is what I do. Take care of my wife, my family. And I apologize to you because you are important to me. Okay? So I'm going to show you what I've cooked already. And if you will, we're going to walk to the stove. Okay, here we go. Like I say, everything is ready. I wash my dishes. Well, no, I gotta clean up because I just made the cornbread. And so I did the neck bones already. So I'm gonna let you take a look. They are ready. I like baking my food. Okay? And I finished the greens, which is aha. They are ready. Okay? And the cornbread is in the kitchen, in the stove, which the stove is in the kitchen. So I'm going to clean up what I messed up. You know what I'm saying? I love the blues also. And a good friend of mine, Marvin Sleep, have passed, but he did this song. I got to clean up what I messed up. As a blues. And I think it was the Williams Brothers did it. I got to clean up what I have messed up and start all over again. Now we're going to put the soap in so I can really clean up. Okay? And do a little bleach, which is over here in the washroom. What's that? It's supposed to be like a little spoon cap full. Well, I do a cap and a half. Alright. The Clorox bleach. Okay. Eggshells, I gotta put in the garbage. And like you know, I am from the country. And like I said all the time, we raised up washing dishes with our hands because, excuse me, when I was a kid, we did not have electricity at our house. In the beginning, so we hand wash everything. And wash our clothes with what they call a washboard. And hung them outside on the land we call a clothesline. I tell my children and my grandchildren, I remember when the utility company was bringing the electricity to our house. By us living the last house on the farm, we was the last one to get electricity. Put the stuff in the water, let it get bleach on it. Clean it, whatever. Gonna take a look at the cornbread. Oh, it still seems to be shaking. I think I put too much milk and the bread. We'll take another look after a while. Okay, I believe the bread should be done, so we're gonna take a look. And I hope it's ready to come out. If so, we're gonna set it right there. Wow. That looks great. Give you a better look at that cornbread. I just love it. Love it. Love it. Hey, like I said earlier, I apologize to you for not doing the whole thing on film, but I was in a hurry because when it come down to my wife, sweet angel, we come down to her, come down to my family. If I say I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. And that's what I did. I apologize. Hey, give me the high five, if you will. Thanks and have a great day. God bless.
Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you, you're my one and only, like I told you. I'll be there. And if you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but but your loving it thrills me. I'll be there. Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope. Yeah, yeah. I'll be there. Ooh, I'll be there. And when I'm at home, I got no one to hold. Won't you tell me I'll be there? If my mind is reeling from the stress that I'm feeling, I need you. I'll be there. I just need your love, and I long for your touch. Won't you tell me I'll be there? Your loneliness kills me, but your loving it thrills me. Won't you speak those words? I'll be there. Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope, yeah. Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you, you're my one and only, like I told you. I'll be there. 'Cause if you get blue, I got the loving for you. I'll show I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but your